We are going to build an employee management system or database and a SQL server. Here I am using the ChatGPT to write some queries. Here you can see step 1 is to create a database. This is the command create database and employee management DB. So I am copying this, coming here. Yes, to all. Okay. So I have already created it is in here you can see already created the one file, interview practice.sql. So I'm here, create, this is the query I'm executing now. So you can see command is completed so successfully in a databases. You can able to see now it is not showing. I'm refreshing databases. So here you can see employee management DB is came. So database is created. This is the first step. Let's go and see create database. With this as well. Here I'll paste. These comments commented out. So next we need to create a use database. So what actually it will do, right? Use database, using the database. Here it is using the master DB. So here you can see it is a master, and here also you can able to see this is a master. So this is the server and this is a master. So I'm from here also we can change employee management DB like this, and here employee DB is there, all are there. So from here also we can able to change from, let it be master, and you can see use keyword, use employee DB, that will automatically change here. See, I'm executing use, so it will using this employee management DB. Here also you can able to see employee management DB. So this is the second step. I'm using employee management DB. This one commented out, and step 1 and step 2, and come on to step 3, create department table. So I'm creating then a department table. Let's third step is I'm creating the department table. Here I'm copying this. Explain this here. So what create table and table name. Create table and table name. Table name is in a department. In the column is department ID. It is in a type of integer, and it is in a primary key identity. It will auto increment like one. Initially it will give the 1, after that it is increased by 1. For example, I'm creating here. So here department name is in a second column name, and location is the third column name. So here you can see department name I have taken n varchar, it is a not null, and n varchar it is 100. 100 means it will take the up to 100 characters, like 100. So here also I'm creating the department. successfully is completed. So retrieve this, we can use a select. Now I'm here, I will write one query, select star from, we have created, right, this one department table. uh, no data is there. Here you can see table is created, department ID and location. So this is the table is created, and next, first we create the table as per the step 1, step 2. I'm creating the table as a role table. Let's quickly create a role table. After that I'll explain. Let's create this one role table as well. Execute and see. Copying here. I use role 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 table is also created. It is also role ID is in a primary key, and role name is not null. And step 4, step 5, create an employee table. Let's go and create an employee table. Here I'm copying employee table this much. Okay, create table name, employee ID is an integer, and it is in a primary key. It is auto incremented by 1. So first name and last name, email and phone, and date of birth is date, gender is in a varchar, and hire date is also date, and salary is in a decimal. Okay, department ID is an integer, and the role ID is an integer, and manager ID is integer. Manager ID can be null. Here it is showing null. Constant foreign key references. So here foreign key for the department is in a department ID. Department foreign key, department ID is foreign key to the department ID. Here in a department, this is in a primary key, right? This can be for, here it is foreign key in the department ID. This one you can see department ID, and role ID is foreign key to the role table, and manager ID is foreign key to the manage employee table. Here you can see this is a table, foreign key, column name and references to the department, and department ID, department table in the department column, department ID column. This is the one you can see employee, it is manager ID. So I am executing this. Let's see, it is also created here. We can see here in the tables. So I'm refreshing here the tables. No, department, let me refresh tables. No, let's see, select. Okay, employee, right, employee table, it is came, employee table, it is came. Here you can see the column keys. Here you can see these are the keys, primary key is an employee ID and foreign key. Yes, this is an employee refers to the department. Foreign key employee refers to the department ID, department table, and employee manager like this. And here coming to create attendance table. I'm creating attendance table as well. Let's go and creating the attendance table and copying this one, and here coming and attendance table and create this attendance table and foreign key to the employee. Creating created. Let's refresh table. So here attendance also is created. Leave request table. Let's create. Copy and leave request table also I'm creating. Executor. Same leave request table also. Create payroll table. Verify table and insert. After that I insert. So copying this, create table payroll, copy and insert. Creating created. Let's say this is also created or not. Refresh. So created payroll and verify table. Verify the tables. So this is the command for verifying the tables. Information schema data tables. It will show all the tables available here. Information schema. These are the tables available. So in a table you can see table name is in a department, role, employee, attendance, leave request and payroll. We have created these many tables. Under the database is in a employee management DB. The step 9. Okay. Step 9. Okay. After that insert department data. This will